Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to perform an SPP, or a slip purl pass. To begin the SPP, we will bring our yarn to the front because we will be working purl stitches. We will first start by slipping the first stitch purlwise. We will then purl the next stitch. Finally, you will pick up the slipped stitch, bring it over your purl stitch, and off the right hand needle. Let's do that once more. Slip the first stitch purlwise. Purl the second stitch. Pass the slipped stitch over and off of the right needle. This is a simple decrease of 1 stitch. I hope that you found this tutorial simple and easy to follow. If you continue to have questions, go ahead and replay this video at a slower speed or leave your questions below. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell if you're interested in receiving further notifications for knitting tutorials. I look forward to seeing you around. Happy knitting!